Okay, let's look at this. In exercises 1 through 3, now I just picked one to put it up here. It says, state what a small square of the unit square represents. Then use your answer to find the given percent. Okay, now let's look at this. This whole thing is equal to 250 miles, the whole amount. Okay? Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many squares are there? 100. Now the whole thing equals 250 miles, and there are 100 squares. How much is each square worth? How much does each square equal? Aiden? 2.5. 2.5? Here's what Aiden said. It's 250 miles divided into 100 parts, right? And when I divide that, that just goes away. 10 goes into 25. 2.5. So each unit is equal to 2.5 miles. How many units are shaded in? How many of those 100 units are shaded in, Moreau? 30 of them. 30 out of 100, right? 30 of them are shaded in. But how many miles is that? How can I find out how many miles that is? Emma? Each one of the squares is equal to 2.5, so we just multiply it. 2.5 times 30. You guys know how to multiply with decimals. 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 there. 3 times 5 is 15, carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 is 7. Okay? Then it's 0, 5, 7. How many decimal points do I have in the problem itself? How many numbers behind a decimal point are there? Elizabeth?
1.
1. So that means that there only needs to be 1 in my answer. So it's 75. All right? So 30% of 250 miles is 75 miles. Now let me ask you this, Isabel. Let's go back and do Isabel. I'm sorry. I've been off for Thanksgiving, Isabella. Okay? 30% of 250 miles. What are we trying to find? Well, let's do this. Remember this from the first example? What goes in the bottom right? Raise your hand. What goes in the bottom right? Always. Always. Evan. 100. Okay? What should I put above the 100? What should I put above the 100 given this problem? Isabella? 30. Okay? What should I put down here on the bottom of this fraction? Hannah? 250, because that's of 250, isn't it? And what should I put above the 250, David? X. Can you guys cross multiply for me? What's 30 times 250? Raise your hand once you've got that. Daniel. Is it 75?
Wait, no,
7,500? And then please divide it by 100 if you would, and raise your hand. If you divide that by 100, Aiden, what do you get? Right? The zeros cancel out and I just get 75. Do you see it's the same thing? Easy. Easy. You guys know how to do this problem? Good, let's move on to the next one.